Good morning. Today we invited the robotics competition team coach Mr. Michel and the key player Max come here because lots of parents ask me about the team member.
Max, you're the lead programmer on the team, so you've got strong coding skills. Okay, so where did you learn to program?
Yeah, so initially I learned from Wiz Robotics in the Arduino courses. That was when I was introduced to programming. And later on, when I began developing my skills, I transferred over to the Java online classes. And once I finalized those skills, I transitioned to the FTC's course, where I learned to really use my Java skills to apply these concepts into real life.
So do you think that participating in FTC has helped you improve your Java programming skills?
Yeah, so mainly when I learned Java and when I transferred over to FTC, I pretty much knew all the basics and how everything worked together. So when I started programming in FTC, it was really just the objective of using the skills I learned and applying them into real life scenarios. So I think that definitely helped me improve my Java programming skills.
Awesome. Now, does your school have a coding program?
Yeah, so my school has the IC3U course, so computer science program, and we also have a VEX team.
That's great. So you can hone some of the skills coming from your school too. So what's the difference between your school's program and say Wiz Robotics program?
Well, my school does have a VEX team, and Wiz Robotics also has an FTC team. So I would say that they're pretty similar, but with a school team, you're really limited to like the resources that you have. But over here, you have like a lot more free will, and so you can do a lot more stuff, like a lot more. You have a lot more options over here.
Great, thank you. So did you encounter many challenges while coding your robot? And if so, can you give me an example? What are they?
Yeah, so when it comes to programming, a lot of teams use online libraries such as like movement libraries such as Roadrunner or Pager pathing. But since we developed our own type of library, we had to expand on with our own capabilities, and doing that, we had to go through many challenges.
So here's a difficult question for you. Have you ever thought about giving up? And if so, what kept you going?
Yeah, so I don't think I've ever thought of giving up, and partly why it was because I also think about our teammates' efforts. So if I gave up, then that would mean that I disrespect my teammates' efforts, and I don't think that's really a good option to choose from.
So I know that you gave up Christmas and New Year's vacation to spend more time working on the competition. So why did you make that decision, and what motivated you to do that?
Yeah, I think it was like 2 years ago. All our teammates' wishes were to go to Worlds, so we wanted to pursue that. And so in order to pursue that, we have to put in the work. So we decided to give up all of our breaks just to achieve that goal.
So that means you have a goal.
Yes.
You want to reach the goal, you have to spend more time.
Yes, exactly.
And this is March break, and they're not skiing, they're doing robotics again.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you.